refuel with some high octane real quick before we go put down the 1,000 horsepower on the streets. I don't know. It's not nighttime. I don't know why, but I don't really feel comfortable doing this. But it's not gonna be a long drive anyway. So I'll be all right. Right? Imagine this with not all these people. Oh, we'd be doing some dumb stuff. Oh, that's where we're going. You know, Micah explained to me which direction we were going, and I kind of just said yes. Well, that suck if this wasn't recording. This is recording, right? Yeah. See the red light? Let's see, because I think we're going to turn left here. Oh, I want to do dumb stuff, but I don't know about that. Man, Micah's spoiler is like shaking to the max. It's because those performance engine mounts.
Had him right there. We're good. I see no cops. We're good.
I see no cops.
Shit! Michael was hanging! Okay, let's go on red or green.
Well, that was fun. Mike almost had him.
Almost had him right there.